The last 2 days, I am seeing all the reports in the media about the raging controversy on Tirupati Laddu. It is not a controversy. It is directly hurting the sentiments of crores of people like us. Mostly the people who believe in the prasadam, people who believe in the Sanatana Dharma worship of the deity. What has happened is, we have been already saying that the process of tendering, when you purchase items for the Swami, like the ingredients for Laddu, you go for a lowest bidder. The moment you go for the lowest bidder, you are asking for trouble. In fact, the best cow ghee today cannot be less than 1,000 rupees per kg. How can a person quote 320 rupees? If somebody is quoting 320 rupees, I am not going exact amount value, but if he is quoting 320 rupees, every packet of that might be containing adulterated ghee. So it's a big hurting issue. We have to inquire into it and find the culprits and take them to task. Number one, I appreciate the statement of Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Pawan Kalyan Garu, because he has said there should be a national level Dharmika Parirakshana Parishad. We have been talking about that the same way. We want a central Dharmika Parishad which will be run by all the religious heads of this Matadipatis, Pitadipatis, retired judges. If they have a central Dharmika Parishad, the temples can be run under it. That is what is the best solution, staying away from the temple system by government control. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.